Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on TCL 50 SE. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar, and now click on Settings. Then click on Google Assistant, then click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now click here to enable Hey Google, and then click on More and I agree. Now click on More and I agree again. Then click on Next. Next. More and I agree. Now click on Retrain Voice Match Model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click on Next, Next, More and I agree. And now you can go back and click on Lock Screen. Then make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.